so sorry to bother you. Well, I'm okay. I accidentally locked myself out of my house, and I thought I'd just wait on my porch, but, the rain's really blowing, so I'm really cold, so I was wondering if... Oh, thank you. Oh. The temperature really goes down when you get rained on, huh? I just need to wait here just for a little bit till this storm blows over, and then, I'll just call someone so I can get back inside my house. And thank you so much for letting me stay in here. I was freezing. Oh, yeah, blanket or a towel would be really great, actually. Oh, thank you. No, I'm okay. I'm just a little cold. Oh, are you sure? I don't want to get your couch wet. Okay. No, I'm okay. I'm just a little cold, is all. The towel helped a little bit. Having all that extra water on me was a bit chilly, but I should hopefully warm up soon. Oh, I mean, I don't want to make your blankets damp or, oh. Thanks. That's, yeah, that really helps. It's kind of stupid, actually. Well, I technically have my house keys. I just, when I came back home, I accidentally locked my house keys in my car. I know I saw the storm, and so I just ran out of my car and I shut the door and it automatically locked. So I was stuck on my porch while the storm was happening, and I thought I could wait it out, but the winds were so strong that all the rain was getting onto my deck and I was so freezing. And I saw the light on in your house, so I thought I'd pop by. Well, I know you say it's no problem at all, but thanks for letting me in. I mean, I know you said that it's not like you would have left me outside, but still, thanks. What kind of neighbor would you be? Oh, you've always been a really good neighbor. Yeah. Sorry, it's just... I think I've been chilled to the bone, so I'm just still a bit cold. But no, I'm okay. Really, you've been a big help. I don't know what I'd do if I was still stuck on that deck. I mean, I'd probably just be shivering and I don't know. I probably would have gotten a really bad cold, honestly. Oh, I don't want to make you cold. Your hands are so warm. Well, my hands are a little cold, but... Okay, maybe my hands are freezing. Thanks for holding my hands. It really does help. I don't think I even realized how cold my hands were until you took them in yours. No, no, it didn't bother me at all. And actually, that was really nice. That was really sweet of you to do. Honestly, I probably would have done the same thing. And your hands are really warm. I might never let go, actually. I don't know why I just can't seem to warm up. I'm just so cold. But, maybe, and you don't have to. I just, since you're so warm, maybe I could just sit a little closer to you, or we could just share the blanket a little bit, just so I can have a little bit more heat, if that's okay with you. And again, if you really, honestly, just holding your hands is nice, so. Really? Are you sure? I mean, I know I mean, you're a really nice neighbor and all, but you don't have to cuddle your neighbor if you don't want to. I understand if that's a little weird. I mean, I'm just shaking a little bit. It'll probably pass eventually, but I just figured it get me warmer faster. Okay, as long as you don't mind. I am sorry. I know I'm the one that suggested it. I just don't like. Should I just scoot closer to you, or Okay. No, that feels a lot better. How are you so warm? I mean, I know I'm freezing, but I don't know how you're so warm. I think this is the first time I've cuddled for warmth before. It sounds so silly, but it really does help. I don't even feel like I need to shiver anymore. I feel like body was so on edge, like it was, I don't know, that little bit of anxiety when you're just constantly cold. You just can't seem to get rid of it. It's like all that just went away. Sorry if that sounds a little weird. Oh, sorry, I'm not hugging you too close, am I? I don't want to make you uncomfortable, you're really warm. Like, you're really, really warm. And I'm just so cold. I'm sorry. I'm probably making you cold. I know you keep on saying to stop saying sorry, but I can't help it. I'm a very polite neighbor. Just as you're a really nice neighbor. You know, we should hang out more. I mean, I know anyways, we see each other around, but things are always so busy, and we never really took the time to really spend any time together. And I don't know, you've always been really nice, and I know you've done a few things together, but it kind of feels like a missed opportunity. We live right next door to each other, and took a rainstorm and me locking my keys in my car to really come over and, I guess, spend time with you in this really awkward way. Or maybe it's not awkward. Maybe I'm making awkward from saying it's awkward. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm saying. I guess I'm just saying that it's kind of silly that it took a storm for me to really come over here. And I probably should have did so a while ago. Well, I know it's not all on me. I know you could have said hi too, but I guess I'm here now. Yeah. Guess we really broke the ice, huh? Who needs a neighborly cookout when you just start cuddling on the couch, I guess? Then again, it's really sweet of you. I know that, you were doing it to help, and I guess any decent human would help someone, but you just seemed like you really cared, and I appreciate it. I'm glad to be living next door to someone like you. I don't know about me. What have I done for you? If you say so. But again, thanks for being you. Oh, sorry that I make you uncomfortable. Sometimes I don't know, when someone does something really sweet, I kisses on the cheek are kind of impulsive for me, so. Sorry. Oh. Well, I'm glad you thought it was sweet. Because if you didn't, that would be really awkward because it seems like the storm's gonna last a while, so I might be hanging out here for a bit. Well, I'm glad you have no complaints. Because honestly, it's pretty cozy right about here. And I don't intend on moving anytime soon.